about this video that I am filming right here is a spring makeover. Yes, y'all heard that right. I am changing my room up a little bit, just a little bit. Like the decor on my wall, I will be taking those down to put on new ones. And my desk corner right here, I'm gonna add a little something into it, like little colors, little spice. I bet it's gonna be a same old. My closet gonna be same old, but it's just like I just want to film this video like it's spring and I want to have a spring 2023 room makeover. You know, I mean, I don't know, something like that. I just want to switch it up some because I always change my room up. Like I try to change my room up every season to make me feel good and happy, because like every season I kind of get depressed and sad. So as right now, I saw ordering stuff on Amazon because I was depressed and sad, and I want to change my room up like this. I like it how it was, I really do, but I would to change like those back there. I want to take those down. My CDs, glass player, I want to take those down, and doing something right here on my desk area. I want to do something like this. I don't have too much decor on my wall, so that's why I'm taking that down. Like I have another wall gonna be right here, another decor, so I don't want to have too much like this now. I don't want that, okay? But I'm gonna show y'all what I got on Amazon, and yeah, you can tell I already opened it. But this is the package. New thought it could come in paper, but I think I really want. But it's still cute though. Look at that, how cute it is. So cute. Yeah, it's a different ones on it, but look how cute it is, y'all. This need to be out and folded out so I can put it up. Oh my god, this is cute. Look at that. That's gonna be on my, oh my gosh, they're gonna be on my wall by my bed. So yeah, and I got this purple flowers. I forgot the name of this, but it hang. You know how the flowers hang on the trees and be purple like this. I got these. It's gonna be so cute. I think I'll put it on my desk corner right here, hanging down. Like it's going down, and I think that could be so cute. It's kind of big. I think I need what that word called? Thumbtacks. That's the name of it. I don't know how to find thumbtacks for it. But this is the first order that I got on Amazon for my room transformation. It was this. It's the same quality of the last one, but it's small. I didn't know it was gonna be small. I'm gonna put it by my bed, but it's kind of small. So it came in 6. It's a really pretty color, but I'll probably put it on my desk area. So I think it would be okay, you know. That's pretty much it. I want to change stuff. Oh yeah, and I did got some more, like a little decor for TEMU. So I'm gonna show y'all that. I'll be showing that y'all later, but I wouldn't want to start. Let's get up. This I talk about. I will be taking this down. Also, I might take this down or no. So I'm gonna like take these down, and I might need a tape because I feel like tape can't hold this up. So yeah, definitely need tape to do this. Okay, so this is how the picture look like, which I think is so cute. This is how I imagine. Please don't mind that. I'm so mad at myself that it came off, and because I used this really sticky. Oh, you can't see it. It's still on the wall right here. This one very sticky. You need to put it out. So I'm not using that again. One I'm using paint tape right here. So I think this be cool and awesome. Check it. I used paint tape on the wall before and never came out when I used it. So yeah. So but this, I do got more paint downstairs. So I'm gonna paint over there pretty soon. But I think this came out really nice. I like it a lot. I like the gloves on it. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Look how cute that is. So cute. So cute. Okay, well now I'm scared to take my player off. I might just have to just take it down. But like I say, I do got more paint downstairs, so I'm gonna bring some of the paint upstairs and probably put in a cup and just paint over it. The one just came over. But yeah, let's go and do that now. Okay, this one is fine. Look at that. It looks so empty. Oh, that's cute though. I will love that so much. I just need to paint over that. It's so nice. But look, it was so easy to take down. I wasn't expecting that at all. Really? Oh.
I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Going out so hot, just like an oven.
So now it's time. I'm gonna put. I am gonna put my trigger lights with the flowers. Like it's gonna be inside. Like I don't know. It's like in my hair. But yeah, let's take some out. Ooh, so cute, so cute, so cute. Like, it's gonna look cute. Hold on, I need time for this. Okay, y'all, so I put up my, oh no, the tape just fell off. Week. Okay, let me show you how the purple flowers look like. I freaking love it so much. And I put my trigger lights on them. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Just how I managed to like this little corner right here. I like it. I don't want too much. Like I said, I don't really want too much at all. But I got this little greenery on this window right here. But it needs to be spaced out. Yeah, it puts me like that, but see, look, oh my god. Oh, you can see that, but it is so cute. I still got some more too, so I'm trying to figure out what to put in it, but isn't this cute? So cute. When we finish this room, I'm gonna clean it up. It's a mess, so I'm gonna clean it up. Then I'll come back to y'all about like sending everything out. Which gonna go right here, which gonna go over there. So yeah, oh there you go. I'm looking for the blue tape. Let me go figure this out quick and I'll come to y'all to see how it looks. Too much. Look what's that? What's on my phone? But let me show you what I did. So I got some, they like had some leftovers, so I just did that like a little corner right there, which I think is pretty cute. So of course, this. And this, I think is so freaking cute. So cute. But let me TEMU. I got some stuff for TEMU for the decoration. And this is so cute for the, oh my god, it's so freaking cute. I can't on the bed on it. Oh, should I put on the chair? Hold on, help me out. So you can see the chair. I put it on the chair white. It look okay. It look my section, I would say. Oh, so I put it right here. It's kind of cute to be honest. Either way, I'm gonna do it, but I might just gonna leave it here for now. Just for now. I can like put on my chair also whenever I like want to film. I think I like this better though. Got this laptop stand and a phone holder too, like this, because you know how when I edit, it can hurt sometimes when I edit sometimes. So I got this. I think it's pretty good. Stand right here. I'll show you close up. Look at it, y'all. Yeah. But yeah, I think it's pretty cute, y'all. Like, go around and I go like, but I can't flip it open. But can I? If I just set it like this? Yeah. Just like this. Look. So much better for my back. For my shoulder, to be honest. And just like, but this is the phone holder. The phone holder. So cute, right? I don't know where exactly to put him. I guess I'm gonna put like here for now. Wow, a businesswoman in the making. Look at that. I just put my chin out, sit down, be like, gonna put my phone right here, like that, and then like, oh, there you go. It is like start working here whenever I need it. As in the background, so cute with those. But yeah, that pretty much is what I got from TEMU, and y'all can use my code on TEMU. If y'all want the same items that I got from TEMU, link will be in the description down below, and they will take you where I got my stuff at, and y'all can get 30% off on the entire order if you use my code off 4587. Yeah, definitely should use my code right here right now before it runs out. But yeah, I like the room. I really like it, giving the spring vibes. But I gonna straighten it out some, and that will be the end of the video that I will show you how the transformation. Okay, yeah, that pretty much it for the room transformation spring edition. That's pretty much it for the video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it as much as I did. And don't forget to use my code on TEMU off 4587. Like I said, it's 30% off. And yeah, make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to your good YouTube channel. And comment down below what you think about this video and what you type of video that y'all want to see next. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, and I hope you had a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya.